Yo guys, welcome back into another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an animated wallpaper. So as you can see, yeah, it's animated. Alright, so you're going to go in Google Chrome, and then go on Bionics wallpaper. I'll link it in the description. Then you're going to go download. Then you go to the one that says video desktop animator. Go down, read everything, then you just download it. So then once you have it, you'll see something like this, and then you just load in your GIFs here. Like, you just switch it, and then they all should pop up. Like, as you can see, I can just change it to whatever. And if it's like I'm filling in the whole screen, so then you're gonna wanna do percent and then just magnify until it fits. Yeah, so 50% would be good with this one, but I don't like this wallpaper that much. Like, and for this one, you'd have to magnify it to 280%. So yeah, easy tutorial, not that hard, guys. So don't close out or this will happen. Then your wallpaper won't come up. So then you're just gonna want to click on it again, start it, and then you're gonna minimize it and just leave it there. And it shouldn't use up your CPU that much or memory. It uses barely. Like here, I don't even think you can see how much it uses because it's so small. But yeah, that's why. Alright, easy tutorial. Bye.